Human excretory system consists of one pair of kidneys and associated structures, two ureters, a urinary bladder, and a urethra. Human body has two dark brown bean-shaped kidneys in the abdominal region, one on either side of the vertebral column. The right kidney is a little lower than the left one. The outer surface of kidney is convex while the inner surface is concave. The following structures are attached with kidneys: a tube which arises from each kidney and enters the urinary bladder is called ureter. It transports urine from kidneys to urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a muscular sac which collects urine from both ureters. A fine tube through which urine is released from urinary bladder to the outside is called urethra. I hope you understand this diagram. So let's draw.